On the first day, when you told us to practice Reiki, I think we all were very excited, and we finished the works and everything, and then we started doing it, and I could really feel that energy. I mean, I have started doing one online Reiki course also, but I could never really connect to that. I did not feel very connected to that. I don't know why, but the things which were made simpler by you made it all the more amazing. My experience was out of the world. First day itself, I could feel that what a wonderful teacher you are. You have made it everything so easy for us. And as and when the course progressed, you taught us how to practice. You motivated us at times. And we all were busy in our household work, but still I think all will agree that we waited for your videos to come, for your audios to come. We would listen to it, we would listen to the discussions, we would listen to your videos again and again, because we just love your energy. I love your energy. I love your love for Reiki and for everything which is related to universe. I seriously love that. And I know I have shared my experiences with you regarding the attunements, regarding the videos, audios, and I know I have shared less, because maybe I shared only 10% with you, 90% remains with me, and I can't tell you how obliged I am to you. That is why I always say that I feel that I should call you Ma. That is why I started calling you Ma. You're just like a mother to me or to everyone in our course, because you taught us so selflessly. You were yourself busy in everything, and still you were answering to our questions. You were making videos, audios, uploading them. Such kind of positive energy you spread, Ma. I can't tell you, I can't express the feeling which I had always after these sessions, always after listening to your motivating audios. I can't express that in words. I will always say that I'm indebted to you. My gratitude goes to you, goes to universe, goes to everyone else who's in this group. But that is not enough, Ma. And you have taught us such big things in a small way. And maybe the intention with which I started, you told us on the first day only that whenever you start listening to audios and videos, first light a diya or pray to your God, whichever God you pray to. And I think that was a very simple thing, but was very effective, because we started with such positive energy, and every one of us has benefited. Every one of us has benefited from that. I know that. I know so, because I feel so, and everyone has shared the experience with you also. I don't know how to express this in words, Ma, but you have given us something which is out of the world, and with the intention of helping others and helping myself, I think we are going to spread Reiki, as you always say that you want a Reiki healer in every household, which we all agree now. Maybe some of us had our reservations before starting your course, but now I don't think so. Everyone has any problem with that. Everyone will agree to it. And I hope that you keep spreading this positivity, keep spreading this knowledge to everyone in the world. And we will also spread your message, your teachings to everyone in the future whenever we'll get time or we'll get the opportunity, that we promise. And we'll always uphold the principles of Reiki and the things which you have taught us painstakingly. Thank you so much, Priyanka. Thank you. And please, we are waiting for your future courses. Wherever you will start the future course in anything at all, we will attend that. ये अपॉर्चुनिटी हमारे को देना जरूर, पहले बता के, क्योंकि हम लोग को तो ज्वाइन करना ही है, माँ. अब हम लोग आपके बच्चे हैं, तो हम लोग पे तो बांटना पड़ेगा आपको, जो भी आप और लोगों पे बांटोगे. And I love you from my heart. I adore you. I respect you a lot. You will always be in my prayers. You have always been in my prayers since the course started. I don't know how to thank you and how to thank everyone else for spreading so much positivity in every one of us, in each one of us. Every time I think about the things you have taught us, I don't know, I feel very emotional. You have made me very close to my God, my Guruji, my parents for that matter, my ancestors. I respect them now. I pay them respects whenever I start and whenever I end. This is a huge thing you have taught us. I think in the course of life we have forgotten these small things, but these are very effective. Praying is very effective. Giving gratitude is very effective. We have to do that. This is our responsibility. And thank you so much for reminding us that. Thank you so much, माँ. Thank you. आप बहुत अच्छे रहो, हमेशा खुश रहो, हमेशा यंग रहो और हम लोगों को सिखाते रहो और हम लोगों में बांटते रहो. Thank you so much, माँ. Thank you. Love you, माँ.